Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the TikTok watermark, and in here I'm going to show you the step-by-step tutorial. So first, you can just find the video that you want to save. For example, in here I'm going to save this video is right here. So as you know, there is a feature where you can save the video directly from TikTok, so you can just click on a share button and tap on save video. Now the video will be saving. So now the video is saved. You can find it on your gallery. Okay, let's see it. This is the video that I downloaded before. As you see here, if you download the TikTok video directly from the apps, there will show here a TikTok watermark on the video and also the usernames of the creator. So what if you want to remove that TikTok watermark or want to save the video without the watermark? So here I'm going to show you the trick. You can open the TikTok apps again, and here click on the share button again, but now click on save video. So what you need to do is just copy the link of the video, this one's right here. You can tap on copy and then go back to your phone home screen and open your browser. So here in the browser, you can just go to the Google search and then just type in the TikTok video downloader, this one, and in here Google search will show you some of the options of the TikTok video downloader, and most of them will download video without the watermark. So let's try to use this one right here. So what you need to do is just paste the link, the TikTok video link, in here on the box, tap on paste and click on download. Okay, so this is the preview of the usernames that I'm going to download this video. And here you can see the sound also, and there are a few options in here: download without a watermark, download with watermark, download audio only, or download profile picture, or download the cover or thumbnail. So here I'm going to choose this download without watermark. Just wait, and now tap download again. So the file will be downloading. Now you can just go back to your home screen and open your gallery. Open your gallery in here. So this is the video that I saved before, and this is the new one. Okay, so you guys can see now the watermark is gone, and that's it. That's very easy, right? I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.